today, good day guys, pre-market video. I am Manjunath, NISM technical analyst. Let's discuss what happened in the market yesterday. So Friday, Nifty 50 closed at 193 points negative, Bank Nifty 434 points negative, then Sensex closed at 604 points negative. So all major indices closed in negative in Indian market. So data is bearish. India volatility index is plus 3.07%. Bearish. I can create, I can say, like this is the fear creation mode where India VIX is coming positive, so data is bearish. Then you can see Gift Nifty, you can see crude oil January feature, which is less than 6,500 pre-COVID level. So there were some global tensions happening across the globe. So the crude oil January future is running little higher compared to yesterday, means on Friday. So I'm telling the data is still bullish, but we have to see that crude oil behavior. Then let's go to Nifty 50 specific. If you go to Nifty 50 specific, Friday market had opened near 25,900. See, our pre-market video was very simple. Okay, sell on rallies continuous on downside. Okay, the candle took support for resistance from 25,900. Later going on from there is a gap zone near 25,600 somewhere. So the market had closed almost near day low. So this is what happened in the Friday. So data is completely bearish. Now let's go to sector-wise performance in Nifty. So Nifty 80 closed positive, but Nifty Bank closed negative, Nifty Infrastructure closed negative. Then we have to see Nifty Auto, Auto also negative, metal sector is also negative. So three major sectors are closed in negative. So data is bearish. Then advanced decline ratio, you can see declines are more. So data is bearish. Asia Nifty 50 specifically, you can see 37 companies closed in negative. So sentiment is completely on bearish side. Nifty Bank, yes, data is still bearish in Nifty Bank as well. Option chain. So Nifty 50 option chain, 13th January 2026 is the expiry, weekly expiry. So in the money call option is selling, out of the money call option is selling. In the money put option is buying, out of the money put option is buying. So call sellers, put buyers, data is bearish. PCR ratio, which is very important. So PCR ratio is less than, you can see it's less than zero point 0.5 friends. It's zero point 0.5 means it's oversold zone. So this is very important. That's what I mentioned within 1 minute. So please understand PCR ratio. We will discuss in the end. We have to take the plain consideration of PCR ratio for the day. Then let's go to cash market in FIS, DIS data. Okay, cash market, FIS are selling, DIS are buying. If you compare uh, both the values, it's 1,800 net buying is happening by DIS, but remember, FIS are selling is major concern for Indian stock market. If you go to index futures, yes, FIS are on bearish side. Stock futures also, if I are buying some stocks, so they are holding some positive. It may be hedging as well, but remember it's all FIs are on bearish side, so data is completely bearish. Stock futures, or we can count your futures data. Let's go to US futures. So US for 30, US 500, then US 200. This across are in negative currently, so data is bearish. Let's go to cash market, how it performed on Friday. So Friday, it's completely different story compared to currently US futures. So it's Dow Jones closed positive, S&P 500 closed positive, and Nasdaq is also closed positive. The data is bullish, but European market is also we have to consider on Friday it closed positive. There is Nikkei. Nikkei is uh, like a holiday today, so Nikkei closed positive on Friday. So Hang Seng currently it's running at positive. Okay, Kospi is also currently at positive. So we have seen Nikkei is on holiday today. So your American market and European market closed positive on Friday. But remember, on Saturday, Sunday, there are some activities, events happened across globe, which are not good sign for the industries. So some Russia and India, America war conditions. global tensions. So that's why US futures are running at negative. Now let's go to ADRs. ADRs, yes, bearish. You can see all the companies are in negative except Dr. Islam. So I will consider the sentiment is on very side. Let's go to support and resistance, which are very important, and gift nifty. So gift nifty, if you can see gift nifty compare with nifty January future, the gift nifty is running just 10 points above nifty January future. So we are expecting a gap, flat open rather than gap open or gap up or gap down. Now investment point of view, see, investment point of view, the data is not in oversold zone still. So when the market reaches the oversold zone, you will have an opportunity to buy back good quality stocks. Okay, so that is left to you. You have to consult your financial advisors. We are not SEBI registered. At the same time, intraday point of view, mark the support and resistance, which are very important. First resistance side, 25,950 is the first resistance, 26,133 is the second resistance, then 26,188 is our third resistance. Support side, 25,623 is our first support, 25,450 is second support, 25,318 is our third support. Remember, investment intraday point of view is very clear. The data is seller analysis, but remember, PCAR ratio is less than 0.5. Here you can see some reversal happening or V-shaped market in the second half of the day. But remember, first 15 minutes, the plan is very simple. If first 15 minutes high is taken out, we will see some bullish consolidation. Otherwise, it is completely sell and rallies. Remember, it's sell and rallies. Thank you. Take your setups, not your view or my view. That should be in your thinking. Thank you. All the best.